in addition to Nova Roma, which is a municipality where the project is located, the memorandum of understanding is also subscribed by the key secretariats or ministries, shall we call them, of the government of Goiás.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Aclara Resources Executive Vice President, Jose Palma. Jose, very good to speak with you. And you've signed a memorandum of understanding with the state of Goiás and the municipality of Nova Roma to fast-track your Carina module project. So another big step forward towards the project, Jose.
Yes, thank you. We're extremely excited about this milestone. We have been working with the state of Goiás, led by the governor and his secretaries to accomplish this. And this really marks a milestone for us because it fully aligns Aclara with the state of Goiás in terms of making the Carina project a reality as soon as possible.
So what does it actually cover, this memorandum of understanding? What are some of the key parts of it?
Well, interestingly enough, in addition to Nova Roma, which is a municipality where the project is located, the memorandum of understanding is also subscribed by the key secretariats or ministries, shall we call them, of the government of Goiás. So, for example, you have the environmental secretariat, you have the Secretary of Economy, the Secretary of Industry and Commerce, the Secretary of Infrastructure. Each one of these entities has subscribed the MOU and has specific obligations that fall within their authority. So, for example, the Ministry of Environment has agreed to work with us to expedite the evaluation of the EIA once we file it in early 2025. The Infrastructure Secretary is going to embark on a review to see how they can improve the infrastructure to access Nova Roma. That is obviously critical in terms of our ability to construct the project as quickly as possible once we get the necessary licenses.
And it also does cover workforce training, because you're going to be creating 3,200 jobs. So I suppose this is a critical element as well.
Absolutely. It's part of our social engagement strategy to generate local employment opportunities. Given that Nova Roma is a small town in the northeast part of the state, we are going to be working together with the government of Goiás and its relevant agencies to begin towards the end of this year, training courses to begin to prepare the future workforce for the project. So that will encompass not only Nova Roma, but probably also the surrounding areas, because as you know, Nova Roma probably only has about a population of 2,500. So there's not enough people there to work on the project itself. So this is a joint effort by the state and Aclara to generate skills among the workforce and create opportunities for them.
And Aclara has also committed to a significant financial investment in this project, hasn't it?
Yes, it has. Well, consistent with the PEA we released earlier this year, our commitment is to invest approximately $580 million in CapEx to put this project in operation in the next few years.
So what are the next steps then? Now that you've signed this, does it take effect immediately? And what are the next steps as you move forward with the project?
Sure. The MOU is in effect as we speak. We, as a company, have a couple of next steps that we need to comply. For example, we have agreed with the government to submit a detailed chronology of next steps for the development of the project. We have 150 days to do that. We also are working on a plan to help strengthen the institutional capacity of the municipality of Nova Roma. That is a plan that we are preparing, but that will be implemented jointly with the state government. We have 90 days to submit that plan. And on the part of the government, like I said, they're fully aligned, and we're going to be having, I would say, regular meetings to address all of the issues covered in the MOU, whether it's infrastructure, whether it's public safety, whether it's the environment, as we move down this process. For example, as you know, we're moving our pilot plant from Chile to Brazil. It's already on its way. So that's one initial area where we'll be working together to facilitate the establishment of that pilot plant.
Well, Jose, I hope you'll keep us posted on any progress as it occurs, but thank you very much for the update today.
No, happy to have participated in this interview, and I look forward to staying in touch.
That's Aclara Resources Executive Vice President Jose Palma.